What's going on, folks? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're having a look at my baby. Fear not, as in dread not. We got a Nvidia Titan X Pascal and 16 core score. It doesn't really matter so much. The CPU doesn't really matter as much as, geez, it seems like the RAM and the VRAM. I got 32 gigs RAM on here, and I definitely consider that the minimum you're going to want to use. Just want to say that I am super happy with this card, the Titan X Pascal. It does everything that I need to within the budget that I had for it. I'm making some remarkably beautiful 1080 pictures. This is the only system that I can make them with and just like roll them out. Just look at that. Wow. Jeez. Whoa. I mean, I'm just in love with these images. I'm just in love with these images, the non-Euclidean geometry going on here. So if you get a giant mass and then you get something going straight next to it, the mass is going to bend that thing, though technically it is still going straight. Jeez, I'm sorry, I'm just getting sucked into my own creation. You know what? I'm gonna put a bunch of these at the end of the video. Okay, it looks like we're getting about 10 to 20 minutes per image. That's freaking remarkable. That's remarkable. I love it. I just love it. All right, let's hit it with a standard Ollama question now. Who rocked the party that rocked the party? Boom! Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's interesting. It gives me different answers for different systems. Most of the time when I ask who rocked the party that rocked the party, it says that I did. Now let's give it a real acidine question from the internet. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Has anyone really been far, even as decide to use even go want to do more look like? The answer is whoa. Whoa. Okay. All right, so here I'm asking AI what a difficult question to ask AI might be. The collapse conjecture. Enter. Let's see what it does. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Snappy. Snappy long stockings. Snappy computer is snappy. Oh, man, I'm happy with this. You can even ask it questions that you've been wanting to know forever. Aw, my mommy's right. So yeah, that's the Pascal station. How's it going, folks? Anyways, I definitely recommend the Titan X Pascal if you want stuff to be usable. Midnight the Cat says, I refuse to clean my bed, but also if you're looking for a good budget card, not just a budget card, but a good budget card, this card, the Titan X Pascal, is very, very famous. Very good. Very good. I would definitely recommend it to, geez, almost anything else. If you're on a budget, but you want something serious, X Pascal. Go, go, go.